Hello my friends, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Today we are taking you inside the luxurious Vietnam Airlines Business Class.
From the warm smiles of the cabin crew to the modern cabin, every detail is designed for comfort.
We're gonna check out the in-flight culinary experience, and hey, let's see if it's better than Vietnamese street food.
Our route takes us from South Korea back to Vietnam. With 5 hours of flight times, we're taking this opportunity to check out every details of flying business with Vietnam Airlines.
And if you wanna see the price tag, stay till the end. I'm sure you will be surprised.
Hello my friends!
Xin chào!
Welcome back to our Traveling Bears YouTube channel and another episode of Eivie and Matty testing out airlines around the world. Today we are going on a 787 of Vietnamese Airlines and we're gonna test out the business class.
We are at the Gimhae International Airport in Busan, South Korea.
It's time to board. The check-in process at Gimhae International Airport was smooth and professional, but keep in mind, no separate security check for business class, so waiting period can be longer than expected.
We are now on the way to our airplane. You're excited?
Always excited.
For sure, I'm excited to test out Vietnam's business class. Here is the airplane. Dreamliner. Oh, it looks like brand new.
Step inside and say hello to the wide-body aircraft.
Hello.
Hi, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
The cabin feels bright, airy and ready for our 5 hours flight. But to be honest, I don't know who chose that awful color for the seats.
I have 5A. Yes. Thank you. Our seat 5A and 6A. Champagne. Thank you. Thank you very much. Glass of champagne before takeoff. Pushback time and time for some short information. Today we go with the Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner.
The aircraft is divided into 2 main cabins to ensure maximum comfort for every passenger.
Right at the front is our spacious business class. That's good for boarding because not every economy passenger walks through the business class.
In this premium cabin, there are 24 lie flat seats arranged in a 1-2-1 configuration. Not everybody likes the herringbone layout, but it gives every passenger direct aisle access. If you're a couple, we recommend that you choose G and D. For seats with window views, you should take A and K.
Cabin crew, please report takeoff.
This is it. You can feel the power roar of the Gen X engine as our Boeing 787-10 begins its roll down to the runway.
Ready for takeoff.
Busan, there's nothing quite like that feeling of being pushed back into your seat as we reach takeoff speed and gently lift off into the Korean sky.
We're now officially on our way back to Ho Chi Minh City, and guys, if you're interested in our 10 days Korea adventure, I put the link on top.
Now let's get settled in and see what this luxury experience has to offer.
In front we have the TV. For the TV we need to push a button, it will come out. Then we have here the earphones plug in and we have a USB port
Here is the remote control for the TV, and here is the remote control for the seat. We have the dining table, just pull it out and open it. Then we have here a reading light. On our right side we have a compartment, storage unit, and the armrest we can put up and down by the press of a button. We definitely have enough space for our feet, and under the feet rest is a place for the shoes. Then we have the earphones here and the amenity kit. We have a small storage unit down, plus the power outlet. Here we have a small knob for hanging our clothes, and then we have a big window, and as always in Boeing you can dim the light by the touch of a button.
And the culinary journey begins. Matty is starting off with a delicate Amuse-Bouche, perfectly paired with a cocktail designed by the president of Saigon Bartender Association.
So let's see how Eivie is doing. Oh, she already got her Amuse-Bouche too.
Just starting my starter.
For the main event, Matty is diving into a fusion of flavors. He's opted for the Asian and Western style menu. First up for appetizer, prawns with wasabi, mayonnaise, mixed vegetables with mango salsa.
If you go with a Vietnam Airlines Business Class flight, take the garlic bread. Really good. Served hot, and a lot of garlic and big flavor. Really nice.
A perfect light starter for a gourmet meal at 35,000 feet. For me, definitely 5 out of 5 points.
Our main course for today, cashew pork belly with steamed rice and vegetables. Smells really good. Looks really good. We go with the second red wine. It's the 62 Anniversario Primitivo from Italy. Asian food, Italian red wine, and that on a nice business class flight. Pork belly is really good.
Again, 5 out of 5 points for me. And of course, Eivie chooses the menu that has soup. It's Korean style menu, included salted cucumber and bean sprout, spicy anchovies, kimchi, vegetable soup, dark Galbi chicken, steamed rice and vegetables. And Eivie, how was your first business class dinner for you?
Ooh, it's a 5 out of 5 experience. And now it's time for cheese.
One highlight for me was the cheese service. The flight attendant brings around a beautifully arranged cheese plate, and I could choose whatever cheese I want. And I would not be that fat if I would just take one piece of cheese, so I decided to take 3, and my favorite was the blue cheese.
Sadly, they don't have any sweet wine on the Vietnamese Airlines flight, so I went with the Riesling best wine from France for the cheese.
Oh, there's more for dessert. Eivie is taking some more fresh fruits. And look at her, how she's satisfied with her Vietnamese iced coffee.
I am trying to check out the Wi-Fi for you, but there is no Wi-Fi on the Vietnamese Airlines flight.
And now it's time for the obligatory toilet check after lunch. Everything was super clean, some nice flowers on the wall, a lot of amenities like body lotion and hand cream. And the real highlight for women is the full body mirror at the back.
Time for unboxing. Inside the Samsonite Amenity kit included products from Payot. They have hand cream, lip balm, hair brush, eye mask, dental kit, and cozy socks. If you think you might fall asleep and miss the meal, don't worry, they have this sticker. They'll wake you up for food.
Time to test out the most important of the journey, the seat. With just a touch of a button, it turned in a fully flat bed. For Eivie, it was more than enough space. For me, the top of the bed could be a bit wider. Now our seat is turned into a chill out mode and Eivie is gonna check out the entertainment system.
By touching the button, the TV comes out from the wall. They have a big selection for movies, music, and podcasts. I choose to save the world with Superman today.
And guys, can you guess what movie I am watching? If that's the case, let me know in the comments. And just like that, the hard work of being a reviewer finally caught up with her. Eivie is officially out. I guess she's totally exhausted from all the luxury and fine dining.
After a comfortable nap, we're now already on the landing path to Ho Chi Minh City.
And I am sure you are really interested how we booked that flight and how much we paid. We booked everything over Fly Blue. That's the miles program from KLM Air France and Vietnamese Airlines. The total price was 53,000 miles plus $40 for both of us. Pretty cheap, right? If you saw in the video what we all got for that. And Eivie, that was your first business class flight. So how was the experience for you?
For me, it's a 5 out of 5 experience because this is the first time I fly business. I liked everything and had a very pleasant flight.
And to be honest, Vietnamese Airlines is your national carrier, so I guess you have to like it. I already did a lot of business class flights in my life, but I was too really surprised. I will give my flight experience 4.5 out of 5 stars. The best for me was the cabin crew, extremely friendly, always attentive and always around. Solid food and beverage menu, but the only thing they can improve is they should add a sweet wine. One negative point for me was the missing Wi-Fi, because nowadays people maybe wanna work even in the sky. But good news, this year they will roll out free Wi-Fi on every business class seat on the whole fleet. For now it's only the A350, but the other planes will follow.
If you found this review helpful and informative, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our journey. And if you have any question or want us to test out any airlines, let us know in the comment. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next flight.
As always, keep exploring and bye-bye.